Hey guys, how are you going today? Um, we've got the Clarke Michigan 475 for a quick look at today. Um, it's by High Mobile. The box is pretty basic quality, light card. We've got some machine dimensions uh, in German, it appears. The dimensions are alphabetically labeled, so we can figure it out. But yeah, Clarke Michigan 475B, as I said, by Mo of Germany, and like most models, are made in China. Um, this is a nice old uh, retro vintage machine. This machine dates from around 1980. It was powered by a Cummins engine of 700 horsepower. It had a bucket tipping force of 50 tons with the steering set with the chassis in a straight line, because obviously when you turn the steering, the tipping load capability reduces. It had a 12 meter cube bucket. The machine weighed approximately 75 tons, and it was a beast. Quite a large machine, especially in the 80s. So yeah, basic packaging, good old polystyrene, nothing fancy. Price of the model was quite high. It's around the £200 mark. Detail is basic. I know the model manufacturers are trying to produce the models from a time before computer CAD drawings were available, so they'd probably be relying on photographs and perhaps paper paper dimensions faxed through to their modeling department. So detail is rather scant, but just pleased to have such an old retro machine. Yeah, paint is quite thick and glossy, which slightly rounds the corners. Prefer a matte and a sharp thin layer of paint. The rivets are painted, which is good to see. The hydraulic rams are not very detailed. The graphics are nice and sharp and fine. The tires are hard rubber, I should say. They do squash, but as you can see, quite a plain model for the money. No engine compartment details of any significance. No perforated covers. No rear radiator mesh perforated. It's a solid plastic insert. No holes in the rear tow hitch. A little disappointing. We do have foot plates picked out on the around the cab. You have air filter detail. You have the FOPS, falling object protection, cab protection. Plastic handrails, reasonably fine. I like the Michigan 4-plate boom arrangement with the bucket crowd linkage sandwiched between. Quite a nice design. I'll have a look underneath. The inside of the wheels the rims are solid. You see the screw heads. Very basic detail underneath. As I say, not super detailed for a £200 model, but just happy to have a model of an old machine, because often manufacturers only commission models of their current machines as advertising. So hats off to BuyMo for producing this old long discontinued loader from my favorite era of those pre-computer CAD drawing, sharp lights and curved panels and fiberglass. This machine would have been all metal and would have been built to last. Not like today's throwaway plastic. So yeah, that's a quick look at the Clarke's 475B, and we'll just take her back to the family. I'm just seeing the wraps cover is also plastic, so I'll just have to be careful with my less than delicate hands. So yeah, we'll just put her back with the family. It's very nice to have it to join the 675, his big brother, and a much younger Volvo 330C, which of course is the company that took over Clarke Michigan. Volvo bought them out, so that Volvo loader is of Clarke heritage, and I'm sure you can see the resemblance. We have the 175, 330, 475 and the 675, so really nice to have a little family lineup. So yeah guys, trying to keep it short and sweet. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this quick look. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It'll notify you when I put more videos on. I have lots of variety in my videos. It'll be repairing excavators and loaders and machines, lots of welding videos, messing around videos, and ATVs, and my baby, which is my Dodge Ram Cummins. So yeah, I try to have lots of variety for everyone, so hit the subscribe button if you want to hang around and join in the fun. It'd be greatly appreciated. Your support helps me keep making the videos. I enjoy the fun, discussing, learning new things about my hobbies with you guys online in the comments section. So yeah, leave me a comment, thumbs up if you want more videos, and thanks for tuning in guys. Till the next time, over and out.